I'm still pretty undecided on exactly what type of doctor I want to be. I know I'm really interested in interventional radiology and surgery right now, but I know there's a lot left out there that I haven't seen yet. Right now I'm in my second internship with the UCHealth Department of Radiology, so I get to do a lot of research and present to the Board of Radiology on different modalities of radiology.
A year ago, Kayla applied for a PWR internship program. She had such a passion for health science, and she was so excited to explore different medical careers that I thought this is going to be great.
I've taken classes that really pertain to what I want to do in my future, so biology, anatomy and physiology, chemistry, all those types of things that can really help me kind of grasp some information before I go to my next step of education. Basically, I was at a point, it'd been a few years that I've been dealing with this issue that I had been faced with medically, and I'd basically been told that my quality of life was how it was going to be, and I was in a lot of pain. I finally found a doctor who was specialized in my issue and chronic pain and things like that. She just told me that this was not how I was going to feel for the rest of my life. I was too young to have to be dealing with all that pain all the time. Because she really cared about me and what I was going through, that was really cool because I knew that I wanted to be that person for someone else and let them know that someone does care and we will make it better for you and it will change. You won't feel like this for the rest of your life.
She's so passionate. She's worked so hard to help prepare her for an internship in health science. So we really have seen what work-based learning experiences can do for students when they have a passion.
Part of what has made my student experience so great is I've had lots of opportunities to do different things. Like with the internships, I've been able to shadow different people and learn different things about my future career. It's been really cool to have different experiences in all those types of areas.